Nomad eSIM is a popular option for travelers who want flexible and affordable data connectivity. It provides coverage in many countries and offers various data packages to suit different needs. One of the key benefits of using an eSIM is the convenience of managing your mobile data without needing to switch physical SIM cards. This is especially useful for those traveling to multiple countries. Nomad's easy-to-use app allows users to purchase, activate, and manage their eSIMs quickly. With its extensive coverage and competitive pricing, Nomad eSIM is a strong contender in the eSIM market. For those who prioritize unlimited data, check out yesim's packages, available through the link in the description. This is an excellent option if you want to avoid worrying about data limits while traveling. Nomad eSIM is known for its wide range of data plans, allowing users to choose based on their travel duration and data usage needs. It's perfect for digital nomads, business travelers, or anyone who needs reliable internet access abroad. Their plans are flexible, and their app is intuitive, making the whole process from purchase to activation hassle-free. Moreover, Nomad eSIM supports various devices, making it accessible to a large audience. If you're traveling soon and need a reliable eSIM provider, give Nomad eSIM a try. For unlimited data options, don't forget to check out yesim's unlimited packages. Click the link in the description to learn more. Subscribe to the channel and like this video for more useful travel and tech content.